Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be using up paints again. I've got so many of them mixed up in these little tubs that I got to start using them up. So I've got some of the color art pigments and some of this little piggy pigments. Oops, as I drop some. So that's what I'm going to be using, is a number of different pigments. I've got Funk, Constellation, I've got Sockeye, I've got one that I dropped. I've got Crushed Velvet. Crushed Velvet. And Apple Rose, actually I used that one up already. I've got Grenache, which is a little piggies. I've got some Amsterdam Pearl. And also Artist Loft's Cadmium Yellow Hue. Those are pretty much all the colors I have mixed up. So I'm just going to wing it and do something probably with some cell activator and probably put a piece of plastic down. I don't know. I'm just going to wing it. So hit subscribe. You never know what you're going to get. And everybody that's my regular that keeps coming back, thank you so much for your comments, you guys. All your thumbs up, all your encouragement. Really does make my day. Keep them coming. Thank you again so much. Greg's going to hit some music and I hope you enjoy. Thanks again, everyone.
My feet will tell me where to go. I'm not afraid to step outside and see the world for what it is. No, spending all my time with people that I barely know. You may have thought that I was lost, but all I need is room to grow. I'm coming home to put a flower in your hand. Thought you should know. I'd rather be instead. Sometimes I feel alone, you know it's me and my guitar. We're looking up at darling stars, singing where we supposed to go now. Tell me what you mean to me, and I'll build a house in Byron Bay, if that's exactly where you'll be. I'm coming home to put a flower in your hair. Thought you should know, there ain't no place I'd rather be instead. No.
pushing my emotions. All these pictures in my head have got a reason not to tell you. I will let you guess instead. Seeing light in your eyes and the sun in your smile. Let's just sit and talk for a while. Seeing colors and flowers on the edge, and I try to catch myself, but I'm too far ahead now. Can you break? Is it safe? Can you hold? Running my way. Can you wait? Can you stay? Can you stop talking this way? All these pieces that are long gone, leaving memories that are so strong. In the meanwhile, I'll just keep it to myself. Letting it all get to me, but oh, I've got to say I've never had as many trouble finding ways to get away. Seeing peace in your eyes and despair in your smile. Let's just sit and stare for a while. Seeing colors and flowers on the edge, and I try to catch myself, but I'm so far ahead now. All these pieces that are long gone, leaving memories that are so strong. All these pieces that are long gone, leaving memories that are so strong. Can you break? Is it safe? Can you hold? Running my way. Can you wait? Can you stay? Can you stop talking this way? Can you break? Is it safe? Can you hold? Running my way. Can you wait? Can you stay? Can you stop talking this way? All these pieces that are long gone, leaving memories that are so strong. All these pieces that are long gone, leaving memories that are so strong. In the meanwhile, I'll just keep it to myself. All these pieces that are long gone, leaving memories that are so strong.
I don't wanna end up the same as other poets, neurotic and halfway insane. Although we see the world in the same way, emotional extremes, the panic of the everyday. I don't want your minimum wage. Yes, I need these arms alone to foster my